In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a roof with chimney. First of all, you have to make any size of rectangle. Then you can draw a line in center position of the rectangle. Then you have to move this line to the upper position, and then you can select this line and just complete it, this line also, and then you have to make it group. Okay, and after that you can make any size of rectangle with a proportional size, maybe around something like this, and then you can push it up and push it up, and then you can make it group anyway. You can move to the any position as you want. Then you can adjust this to not to hide from this roof anyway. Maybe you can set this chimney, it's just only in this position right away, and then you can offset it. You can offset it, maybe around it, and then you can push it to the bottom until it make hole right here. And after that you can make some support of this small column right here to make a small roof of the chimney anyway. So you can position on this, and then you can make rectangle again. Then you can offset it. You can offset it something like this, and then you can erase some unnecessary line right here. You can just erase it, okay, and then you can just select this line and select rotate. You can select this line and select rotate, and rotate it around maybe 45 degree, and just rotate it 45 degree also, and just erase some unnecessary object. And then you have to move and press Ctrl it, and just move and press Ctrl it to duplicate it, and then you have to complete this line, and then you can move it up. Okay, maybe you can move it up until like this. Okay, it's enough, and then you can make a brick right here. You can use this, okay, and you can use another support of column. Then you can use a metal. You can use a metal material on this chimney. And then you can select the roof material. You can select the roof material. Maybe you can use this, and you can adjust the roof wall with this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a basic exercise for you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.